Good morning, dear students of class 12 science. Welcome to biology class. So before beginning the class, I would like to give you important information. I have sent you the further reduced syllabus of biology through WhatsApp. Hope all of you have gone through it. 5 chapters has been removed from the syllabus. Clear? So kindly go through that further reduced syllabus which I have sent it to you through the WhatsApp. Clear? So now we will continue with our lessons. So we are dealing with the chapter Microbes in Human Welfare. Okay. In the last class we have learned about the definition of microbes. Okay. Then we have learned about the uses of microbes in the preparation of organic acids, in the preparation or production of enzymes and the bioactive molecules. So in today's class we will continue with the role of microbes. Okay, so today we will learn about the role of microbes in energy production or in the production of biogas. Clear? So the topic for the day is microbes in energy generation or production of biogas. So what do you mean by biogas? Because we all are familiar with the term biogas. So what do you mean by biogas? Okay, so biogas, or more commonly is also known as gobar gas. Okay, biogas or gobar gas is a methane rich combustible gas produced by the anaerobic breakdown or digestion of biomass with the help of the methanogenic bacteria. Okay, so biogas mainly a combination of methane. Let's say it contains a huge amount of methane gas which is highly combustible. Combustible means those which can easily catch fire. Okay, those which can burn. So biogas or gobar gas is highly rich in methane and it is produced by the anaerobic means without the use of oxygen. There are certain microbes which will lead to the breakdown of those biomass or the simply the cow dung, alright, in the absence of oxygen, leading to the formation of methane gas or the biogas. Clear? And this particular production of biogas is simply due to the help of the microbe which is called the methanogenic bacteria. Methanogenic bacteria means those that are able to produce methane gas. Okay, so biogas simply consists of methane 50 to 70%, carbon dioxide 25 to 35%, nitrogen 2 to 7%, and traces of hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. Clear? The residues which is left after the generation of biogas, okay, the residues, that means the remnants which will be left after the production of biogas, it can be used as a fertilizer or we can say manure. It is an ideal source of manure. Clear? So now we will deal with the microorganisms involved in biogas productions. As I have told you that simply it is the methanogenic bacteria which is involved in the production of methane gas or the biogas. Okay, so microorganisms which are involved in biogas productions are anaerobic bacteria. Anaerobic bacteria means which are able to survive in the absence of oxygen, which can lead to the production of oxygen or the breakdown of biomass in the absence of oxygen also. So they are called anaerobic bacteria. And the most important bacteria are methanogenic archaebacteria. Common example is methanobacterium. So kindly remember the name of the bacterium which is involved in the production of biogas, which is methanobacterium. Okay. These bacteria are commonly found in the anaerobic sludge formed during the sewage treatment. These bacteria are also present in the rumen of cattle where they cause the breakdown of cellulosic material. Okay, they are present in the rumen of cattle where they used to induce the breakdown of cellulosic material, playing an important role in the nutrition of cattle by digesting cellulosic materials. Clear? This is the occurrence of this methanobacterium. Now let's go into the production of biogas. So biogas is simply produced in the biogas plants, mainly in the rural areas. We used to find the biogas plants where the biogas are produced. Okay. So mainly a biogas consists of a concrete tank. Clear? So biogas is mainly composed or mainly consists of a concrete tank. So you have seen a tank where there will be production of the biogas, which is called the concrete tank. It will be usually around 10 to 15 feet deep. Okay, so the one which you are seeing over here, the structure, this one is the concrete tank. Okay, 10 to 15 feet deep is also called the digester. So first compositions of biogas plant is mainly the concrete tank, which is also called the digester. Okay, number 2, it has a charge pit for the passage of slurry into the digester. Clear? So second thing what you can see is that it has a charge pit for the passage of slurry into the digester. Next thing, it has a floating gas holder which is made up of metal with an outlet which is connected to a pipe to supply the biogas to a nearby house. Clear? And the raw material which are used in the preparation of biogas in biogas plants are simply the cattle dung that we know. Okay, it can be the cow dung, the night soil, farm refuse and other organic waste. The biogas which is produced is mainly used for the cooking and lighting, and the removable part is mainly used as a manure. Okay, so let's go back into the figure. So you can see over here, this is the concrete tank. Okay, 10 to 15 feet deep, also called digester. Then you can see the mixing tank over here. Okay, this one, the mixing tank, where you will mainly put the slurry of cattle dung and the water. So you will take the cow dung or the cattle dung, you will mix with water, and through this mixing tank, also called the charge pit, you will put the slurry into the concrete tank or the digester. Clear? Then there will be anaerobic breakdown of those cattle dung by the help of anaerobic bacteria, that is methanobacterium, which will produce the methane gas. That methane gas will be collected in this particular gas collector. Okay, you can see over here floating gas holder to collect the biogas. So over here the methane gas will be collected or the biogas will be collected. Okay, and you can see a gas belt or a pipe through which the biogas is supplied to the nearby house, where it will be utilized for the cooking purpose or for any other purposes. Okay, then a pit is there which is mainly used for the removal of sludge. So the removable sludge will be collected in this particular pit, and that remaining pit or sludge will be used for the process of agricultural, alright, in the agricultural field as an organic manure. Clear? So simple. So a biogas plant is mainly composed of a concrete tank. So this one is concrete tank, 10 to 15 feet deep. Okay, then there is a floating gas holder to collect the biogas. You will find a pit from where the slurry like cow dung or cattle dung and water will be put, and it will enter into the concrete tank. Then you will find another pit from where the remaining slurry will be taken out, which can be used as a manure. Okay, then this floating gas manure is simply there to collect the biogas, which will be produced by the anaerobic breakdown of the organic material by the help of methanobacterium. So this is the simple diagram of a biogas plant. Okay, now how is biogas generated? Now mainly this production of biogas technology came into India due to the efforts of IARI. Now what is IARI? It is Indian Agricultural Research Institute, which is in New Delhi. Okay, then you have got Khadi and Village Industries Commissions, KVIC, which is in Mumbai. Alright, so already several thousands of family sized biogas plants and several hundred community gas are operational in India. They are functioning in India. Okay, so when we talk about the generation of biogas plants, it is a 3-step process. We have got several stages in biogas generations. Clear? And what are those materials from which the biogas can be generated? We have mentioned that it can be cattle dung, it can be night soils and other organic waste. So as we have said that biogas generation is a 3-stage process. So in the first stage, okay, in the first stage there will be facultative breakdown or decomposition of those organic compound by the help of anaerobic decomposer. Listen very carefully. In the first stage, those complex organic compounds will be decomposed by the help of anaerobic decomposer microbes. Clear? So that those organic compounds will be decomposed and will be changed into simple soluble compounds called the monomers. Clear? And for the conversion of this complex organic compound into the monomer, the anaerobic decomposer microbes will secrete cellulase to digest the cellulose, protease to digest the protein, and lipase to digest the lipids. Clear? So in the first stage there will be facultative anaerobic decomposer microbes which will bring the enzymatic breakdown or the decomposition of organic compound into the simple soluble compounds which is called the monomers. And during this breakdown, the anaerobic decomposer microbes will secrete cellulase to digest the cellulose, the essential component of the cell wall in plants, then protease which will digest the protein, and lipase which will digest the lipids. Clear? So in the first stage there will be generation of monomer. Now in the second stage, the monomer are acted upon by the microbes which convert them into organic acids. So in the second stage the monomer will change into organic acids. Then in the third stage the organic acids are acted upon by methanogenic bacteria, those bacteria that will produce the methane gas. Okay, so in the third stage the organic acids are acted upon by the methanogenic bacteria to produce the biogas. Clear? So these are the 3 stages in the production of biogas. Clear? Now the biogas that is formed will be collected in the floating gas holder which keeps on rising when the biogas keeps on accumulating or keeps on forming. Okay, the gas holder is connected through the pipes to the houses where gas is used for cooking and lighting purpose. The gas may also be used in running tube wells and in the production of electricity. Clear? So 5 cattle produce enough dung to supply cooking gas for a family of 4 to 5 persons. So biogas generations mainly involve 3 stages. In the first stage there will be facultative anaerobic decomposing microbes which will decompose or break down the complex organic compound into simple soluble compounds which is called the monomer. Okay, and during this process they will secrete cellulase, protease and lipase, the function of which I have discussed. In the second stage the monomer will be acted upon by the microbes which will convert them into organic acids. And in the third stage the organic acids will be acted upon by the methanogenic bacteria like methanobacterium which will produce the biogas, and that biogas will be collected in the floating gas holder which level will keep on increasing when the biogas formation continues. Okay, and the gas holder is connected through the pipes to the nearby houses where it can be used for cooking purpose, for lighting purpose, or for any other purposes. Clear? So you can see over here the stage in biogas formation. In the first stage you can see the facultative decomposer microbes will bring the anaerobic breakdown or enzymatic breakdown of cellulose, hemicellulose, storage polysaccharides, fat proteins into the monomer. Okay, that's why they are producing cellulase, lipase, and they are producing protease. In the second stage, the monomer is being changed into organic acids by the action of fermentative microbes, and in the third stage, those organic acids are acted upon by the methanogenic bacteria which will produce the biogas. Clear? So these are the 3 stages in biogas production. Okay, now advantage of biogas. What are the different advantages of biogas? First one, it is a storable form of energy which can be used whenever required. So whenever we require the biogas, we can use it because it can be stored. Number 2, it improves the sanitation and minimize the chances of spread of fecal pathogens, because those fecal pathogens are mainly used in the production of biogas. So it will improve the sanitation process also. Number third, it is an eco-friendly and pollution-free source of energy. Number four, it is used as a fuel for the cooking purpose, for lighting, for power, and for running tube wells. Last one, the spent slurry. Okay, the slurry which will be there after the formation of biogas in the biogas plants can be used in the form of manure. Okay, so those can be used in the form of manure because they have been formed directly from the organic waste and is used as organic fertilizer. Clear? So here we have finished the role of microbes in energy generations or in the production of biogas. In the next class we will talk about microbes as biocontrol agents and microbes as biofertilizer. Then we will finish this chapter. Okay, so one more time I'm saying you that kindly go through that further reduced syllabus of biology which I have sent it through WhatsApp. Okay, so go through it. 5 chapters have been removed from your syllabus. Okay, so kindly go through that syllabus. See you in next class. Till then, thank you.